we have this interesting geometry question today with us. Let's see how to do it. So here we are given a figure in which AB is equals to BC. So AB is equals to BC, CD which is equals to CD, which is equals to CE. And it is also given that angle A is 5 by 2 of angle B. Okay. And we need to find this angle D. Correct. We need to find this angle. So let's see how we can solve this question. So first of all, it is given that AB is equals to BC. That means this angle and this angle will be equal to each other. Correct? So let this angle be x degrees. Let this angle be x degrees. And you can clearly see that this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. So this will also be x degrees. Correct? Now there is one more thing that is given to us, that is angle A is equals to 5 by 2 of angle B. This is given to us. Correct? If I just rearrange this equation, I will get angle B is equals to 2/5 of angle A. Correct? I just rearrange this equation. So if angle B is 2/5 of angle A is x. Yes, angle A is x. So B will turn out to be 2/5 of x. So this angle will turn out to be 2/5 of x degree. Correct? Now let's go to triangle ABC. Now we know that in triangle ABC, 2/5 of x degree, that is angle B, plus x degree, that is angle A and angle C, will add up to 180 degree. Correct? Now if we solve this, we will be getting 12x by 5 is equals to 180. If I solve this further, we will be getting x equals to 75 degree. X is equals to 75 degree. Okay, please keep this in mind. Now let's mark this here. X is 75 degree. Now let's go to triangle CED. In triangle CED, angle C, that is 75 degree, plus angle E and angle D. Now please see that it is also given that CE and CD are also equal to each other. Correct? Now if CE and CD are equal to each other, that means this angle, let it be Y and let it be Y. These angles will be equal to each other. So 75 degree plus Y will add up to 180 degree. Correct? Now if we solve this, we will get 2y is equals to 105 degree. That means angle y, which is equals to angle D, is nothing but 52.5 degrees. Yes, that means angle D, which we need to find out, is 52.5 degree. This is angle D and this is our final answer.